Welcome to the Solarglide Type B metal base fittings cable guide installation. The tools you will need to complete this installation project: a pair of wire cutters, an electric drill, a tape measure, a crosshead screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a pencil. The cable guide wires come pre-attached to the blind cassette. Carefully unravel them. Feed the cable guide wires through the bottom rail P-clips, located on the back of the bottom rail profile, and leave them to hang loose. Slowly lower the screen to the bottom of the window. Use the P-clips as guides, and with a pencil, mark the position for both cable guide bases onto the windowsill below. With a pencil, mark the positions for both Type B metal anchors. The P-clips, located on the bar, should be used as guides. Carefully retract the solar screen and thread the cable guide wire through the anchor holes, as shown. Place the screw over the threaded cable and twist clockwise to secure. With the pliers, pull the cable tight, while securing the metal base with the screwdriver. Please be aware not to overextend the cable wire. A power drill may be needed when securing into metal or cladding. Once the cable guide base is secure, snip the excess wires, leaving at least 20 mm spare. If you require additional assistance, please contact the team at solarglide.com. Thank you.